The Gevi Espresso Machine 20 bar is designed for home baristas, offering a dual heating system that ensures you can brew perfect coffees every time. Its integrated precision conical burr grinder features 30 grind settings, allowing you to customize the grind to suit any coffee bean roast. The machine's digital temperature control system delivers water at the exact temperature needed for optimal espresso extraction. With its PID intelligent temperature control, the Gevi Espresso Machine maintains a stable temperature range between 197.6 degrees Fahrenheit and 204 degrees Fahrenheit. The powerful steam wand enables you to manually texture microfoam milk, enhancing the flavor and allowing for intricate latte art. This all-in-one espresso maker is an excellent choice for home use and makes a thoughtful gift for special occasions, such as weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries.